Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to sync your contacts with WhatsApp on Redmi Note 7 Pro running MIUI version 11.0. Okay, so this is my Redmi Note 7 Pro device and I have MIUI version 11.0 installed on this. So let me show you first. So let me open my settings app and then let me tap on this about phone. And you can see guys, here I have this MIUI version. You can see I have MIUI Global 11.0 installed on this Redmi Note 7 Pro. Okay, so let me go back. Let me close the settings app. Okay, so if I open my phone app and if I tap on the contacts, so these are the contacts that I want to sync with WhatsApp. Okay, so let me show you how you can do that. So let me close this contacts. Okay, so in order to sync your contacts with WhatsApp, what you need to do, you have to open your settings app. Okay, so let me open my settings app. So here is my settings app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys, it's opened, and after that you have to scroll down to accounts and sync. Okay, so you can see here I have this accounts and sync. Just tap on this to open it. You can see guys, we have this accounts and sync screen opened. Okay, and you can also open this screen by using another method. So let me show you. So let me go back. Okay, so just open your settings app, scroll at the top, and here we have the search settings. Okay, just tap on this and you have to type accounts and sync. Okay, and just wait. You can see guys, here we have this accounts and sync. Just tap on this and you can see guys, we have this screen opened. Okay, and after that you have to scroll down. Okay, and in other section you have to find WhatsApp. Okay, you can see guys, I don't have any WhatsApp over here, so I need to add the WhatsApp account over here. So I need to tap on this add account. So let me tap on this, and what you need to do, you have to find WhatsApp over here. Okay, so here is my WhatsApp. Let me tap on this and you can see guys, it's authenticating and adding my account. Okay, so let me go back. You can see guys, the account has been added. Okay, you can see the WhatsApp over here. Okay, so just tap on this WhatsApp. So let me tap on this and you can see guys, here we have the accounts section. Under this, here we have the WhatsApp. So just tap on this WhatsApp. Okay, and I have this sync screen opened and you can see contacts sync is off. Okay, and here we have this little button next to this contacts. So just tap on this. So let me tap on this little button. You can see it's syncing and it's now synced. Okay, and you can also guys tap on this more at the bottom. Okay, and here we have two options, sync now and remove account. Okay, so you can come to this screen anytime and tap on this more and tap on this sync now. Okay, so if I tap on this, you can see it's now synced. You can see the 3:28 p.m. over here and you can see the time over here. Okay, so it's now synced. So that's it guys. After that you can close your settings app. So let me close this. Okay, so thanks for watching. In this way you can easily sync your contacts with WhatsApp on Redmi Note 7 Pro running MIUI version 11.0. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.